Jeremy, here we are.
Once again.
It's going down, except we're live this time. Like, you got to watch yourself. No more editor Ian to cut stuff out.
No, this is a bad. Well, at least thank you for inviting me this time ahead of time. I appreciate the heads up. I love it.
Whatever. You were out golfing last time. We all know.
It's true. Totally true.
Hello, everyone trickling in. We're going to give you 2 to 3 minutes to get in here with, I don't know, everyone that registered and everyone that clicked the link, but then they clicked the Facebook group and liked it, but didn't actually register. So we're going to give them 2 to 3 minutes to get in here, make our sponsors feel better about what we're doing here. Jeremy.
Yeah.
It's been a week for the bots, man.
Oh, it has. And you've been all over the bots. You're like the bot pimp.
Can I be the bot whisperer?
Ooh, the bot whisperer. I like that even better.
Yes. No, in the last week, last month, Double rolled out their bot, which is progressively getting better by the day. Yeah. I would say V1 was a little rough, but oh man, just every day it's getting better. Then Monday, Gusto comes out with co-founder, right? Because you already had a co-pilot. Oh, by the way, I should probably tell everyone, make sure you scan that QR code on the left to play. That's going to be your ticket. Scan it with your phone. If you go to Kahoot.it in your web browser, you can also enter that code to play. But get yourself in there and use your name. And by the way, if you win, we're going to need to be able to identify it's you. So maybe don't call yourself Curly Hair Pimp 27 because we're not going to know who to send that to.
Dude, why are you giving everybody my go-to handle? That ain't cool.
Yeah, I know. There we go. We're getting some names in there. Jeremy, co-founder released this week, which I kind of like the name by Gusto, right? Like someone that helps you build your business. Like it's not a bad name. And then we have Ramp Stack that was released on Wednesday, which who saw Ramp coming out of left field? Dude, the bots are just taking over every tool.
Yeah, I mean, who saw Ramp coming out of left field other than those who were engaged with them to help develop it, Tyler, right? I mean,
well, aside from that.
Yeah. I mean, all sorts of things coming on the pipe, but maybe, might I say more importantly, today is National Donut Day. So ooh, who doesn't love a good donut? That hits the spot. So hit those Krispy Kremes or Dunkins, get out there. They probably some of them giving away free ones. Go do that.
Oh man, that's like 7-Eleven Day. Again, everyone, if you're just joining, we see people trickling in. Scan that QR code and make sure you get your name in. Or go to Kahoot.it to play and enter that code. You got 2 minutes to get into play. Only 4 of you, but I see a lot more of you in the waiting room. So get in there. But yes, Jeremy, National Donut Day. Do you think Krispy Kreme would honor something like that?
I feel like it would be. Like just get a regular, their normal thing. Not all the bells and whistles with the sprinkles and whatnot, but just the regular. We have like Quick Trips here, and there's our Dunkers, and usually you'd get something like that. So that's a Midwest thing, though. So maybe that's not widespread.
And if we were ahead of the game and actually prepared, I would have had a Homer Simpson donut question built in here.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, well.
I'm going to hop in here, too, but I can't win. And I made that very obvious, but I just want to make sure. There I am.
See, it works.
Can't win. Perfect.
Yeah, several Texans joining in. I'm proud of it.
Yeah, I like it.
And I think I know both of them.
Those Texans come out.
We'll see what happens. I see a lot more people on the live streams than who's joined into play. I think there's people that are scared. And,
I mean,
they're like, I'm just going to watch.
They should be afraid.
Put your name in there, folks. You know you want to play. I'm a little bit scared that only 7 of you want to put yourself up to the challenge. Costs nothing to play except your ego and pride.
Right. And if you like us,
you're good company. Jeremy and I don't have those.
Right. I was going to say, and if those of us, that's deteriorated a long time ago.
No. All right. We're in the final minute before we get started, but Jeremy, I'm excited. Really the big push for you and I was to get this U-F.A.T up and running before scaling new heights. Because after scaling new heights, I think it's going to be tough competition to come back here and win.
Yeah, I think so too. I think a version of this getting put right in the live main stage there, and some amazingly smart people, and we're gonna do all the normal shenanigans we do and do relatively well, but also just picking their brains for good insights on things.
Yeah, all right, Jeremy, Sorry, go ahead.
No, let's kick it off. Let's do it. I'm ready.
Let's do it. It's 12:05. I don't know why many people are still sitting on the side, but you know what? We're going to do it. So you got 10 seconds. Get a name in there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No one's sneaking in? All right, we're doing it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, new format. We're doing 10 questions again, but I want to start every week off with a softball. Just make sure you know how this game works, how to get rolling. And if you're jumping in midway, make sure you use that little link down there, kahoot.it, and it gives you the pin if you're joining in now. Well, let's start off with a nice little softball question for today. And Jeremy, that question is, the default fiscal year for a company, unless indicated otherwise, starts in which month? Is it July, April, January, or good old December? And I don't know why it's 30 seconds. I set it to 20, so no surprise, Jeremy. I am inept at running this thing. We might have a little extra time in our hands.
Oh, all good. That's a good softball. But everyone,
too. It is. That's a really good softball. If you can't get that, oof.
And
I don't know what's wrong with
the College Softball World Series is going on right now between Texas and Texas Tech. Again, Texas going up.
Let's pretend I knew that. And Jeremy, I hope that's you saying you can't win clicking April on your phone. But everyone else, several of you getting it right. January is the correct answer. All right, now you know how the game works. Now you know how it flows. Let's jump into it, everyone, with question number 2. When it comes to the service industry, which of the following items is subject to sales tax in most states? Is it service charges, gift card sales, complimentary meals, or tips? One of these gets taxed on the bill in the service industry. Maybe a restaurant, maybe a hotel. Maybe that's why I know this answer. But one of these gets taxed on your final bill every single time. Majority of you getting it right with service charges, yes. So some of you might be like, but Tyler, I've seen taxes on tips because there's a difference. If it's a tip, it's technically voluntary. If it's, hey, groups of 6 or more get an 18%, that's a service charge. And now it's compulsory by the business. It now gets taxed. Gift card sales, you don't get taxed on that at the moment you buy a gift card. You get taxed when you redeem it because it depends on what you redeem it on. And complimentary meals, those are just a discount. You just give it off. So, Jeremy, did you got this one right?
I haven't been answering because I've been just so enthralled by the conversation. I was just going to add, and nobody likes their tip being taxed, right? Like, that's not a good idea for anyone.
I don't know where you're taking it, so I'm just going to let it roll. Let it roll. All right, we'll jump on to the next one. Okay, this one, you got to put these answers in order. This is a new format for both of you that played last week. Okay, I know not both of you. By the way, I see more people joining in. Make sure you use that kahoot.it at the bottom if you want to get in midway through and enter that pin. But when unaccountable.co, a publicly traded company, has to liquidate soon, Jeremy, maybe because of a bankruptcy,
yeah,
I want everyone to put our creditors in the order of who collects first on our assets. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Is it the IRS, preferred stockholders, employee wages, or the lawyers and their darn fees? Yes, you have 40 seconds more to put this in order of who collects first in the correct order. So someone's getting their cut, then the next, then the next, then the next. And IRS, go ahead.
And I am going to answer this one because you didn't give me the answer on this one. I see the answers on all the other ones, so I think I know it. So I want to play this one, see if I get it right.
Yeah, play it. Play it. We got to pump up our numbers somehow, Jeremy.
That's right.
You guys got 10 seconds left. Get your ideas in.
Ooh. I think I got this one.
All right. Last second. 10 people got it wrong. Wow.
Oh.
Okay, everyone. This is interesting. Do you know why I know this one right now, Jeremy?
I don't.
Because someone's going back and studying to finally sit for the CPA because he's been a lollygagger. But, so this is what I'm studying right now. Lawyers get their cut first.
That is what threw me off. I had the rest of it right. The blood-sucking lawyers?
So any of the fees associated with the bankruptcy, so lawyer fees and anything else, they want to make sure they get paid to continually do the work to close out the business. So the lawyer fees get collected before almost anyone else. fees associated with the closeout. Then employee wages. So the employees get paid. That's good. The IRS actually gets their cut after the employees. Kind of makes me and you happy, dude. And then, Jeremy, the stockholders come out last. Bonus point for you, Jeremy. Do the common stockholders or the preferred stockholders get paid out first?
90% sure preferred.
You are correct, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, preferred get paid out, but, the common stockholders, they get all the upside and they get all the downside. They're the last ones to collect. So I know I may have thrown you guys off with those lawyer fees. You can complain in the chat, tell Jeremy what I did wrong, but oh well.
I believe we have a niched lawyer firm with us. Those are some smart people. They're getting paid. I love it.
Yeah. Good work, Brandy. Nice niche choice. All right. Next up, everyone. If Jeremy leases a tanning bed for 3 years, he'll put a $20K debit as a right of use asset. Yeah, we're doing lease accounting and unaccountable right now, Jeremy. I am so sorry. If that $20K debit is a right of use asset, where does the credit hit?
This is diabolical.
Is it a liability account? Is it an other expense account? Is it an equity account? Or is it a bank account?
All I know is nobody wants Jeremy to have that tanning bed lease, or you're not going to be able to see my wonderful banana hammock tan line. like you're going to miss out.
Most of you getting it right. Yes, it is a liability account. Lease accounting's dumb. It's just like you say, well, we've got an asset because we have the right to use this asset, but we owe money on it for the same amount. So, it nets zero on our balance sheet, but it's an asset, but it's also a liability. Well done for those of you that got it. Almost nothing in a lease hits the P&L unless there's interest. Then you do break that out as an expense. Otherwise, it's, you can do even amortize it, and then you got a sub account. Lease accounting is dumb. All right. Moving on, Jeremy.
Yep.
Which of these can a CPA do that non-CPAs cannot do? Only one of these tasks is CPA only. Is it an audit? Is it drafting a legal agreement? Is it investment advising? Or is it filing income taxes? 10 seconds, Jeremy.
I see you put investment advising, not fiduciary responsibilities. I like it.
You put the douche in fiduciary, Jeremy. Correct. An audit, attestation is the one thing CPAs can do that others can't. CPAs shouldn't even do financial advising. You got to have your CFP or you get in trouble for that sucker. And guys, you don't want to be drafting legal agreements either, CPA or not. If you get accused of playing lawyer, that's also bad. But man, all you got to do is pay an annual fee of $85 and not have a criminal record and go file taxes, man.
Right. I love it.
Jeremy, even you could step over that bar. No interest in filing taxes?
Oh, I mean, that could be a stretch, but in theory.
Yeah. All right, on to the next one. Shameless plug, by the way, guys. You ready for this, Jeremy? So shameless.
I like this.
Which day will Unaccountable take the stage live at Scaling New Heights? And dare I say, main stage. Is it Monday, June 15th, Monday, June 16th, Monday, June 17th, or Monday, June 14th? Yes, everyone, you just have to respond quickly to get the most points out of this. The faster you respond, the more points you get. That is information I should have included at the very beginning.
Oh, right. Yes. Fast answers are rewarded. I also love how you made them all Mondays.
Mm-hmm. I thought it'd be rude to put in extra days, so I just want to see how well you knew your calendar. A couple of you thought Monday was the 17th. Nope, Monday's the 15th. That's it. Just, if you are at Scaling New Heights, we are not doing U-F-A.T, Unaccountable's Fortnightly Accounting Trivia 2 weeks from today. Instead, we're doing it live at Scaling. So then you're going to have to come back 1st of July for the next U-F-A.T, or as Jeremy likes to call it, Unaccountable's Friggin' Awesome, but you go a little more R-rated.
I do.
Unaccountable's Friggin' Awesome Trivia. I do like that name more, I'm not going to lie.
Same.
All right.
Yeah.
Some of you moving along. I don't even know where you all stand scores-wise, but if you're in the top 3, you should be getting notifications you're in the top 3 right now. Jeremy, this is a multi-select question.
Ooh, okay.
But select all the accounts here that normally hold a debit balance. Podcast sponsorship, bad debt. Podcast studio, accumulated depreciation. Podcast sponsorship, discounts. Or Jeremy scalp polish expense.
Whoa, that's a big expense.
It is.
Yeah.
And bad debt is an expense as well here. I know you could say accumulated, but I didn't say accumulated bad debt or reserved. I just mean the expense. So which ones hold debits?
Ooh. Hey, that's pretty good.
Pretty good, everyone. I like what we're seeing. So yeah, bad debt is an expense. An expense holds a debit. Discounts are contra revenue. They hold an expense. Jeremy Scout Polish, that is also an expense. But accumulated depreciation, that's a contra asset. It holds a credit balance. Well done for many of you. I really wish I knew who was in the lead, but, you know, we're a pretty shady program. I wonder if it'll tell me. I'm going to show everyone's name. Oh, it does. Rebecca in the lead, followed by Big
Two. Impressive.
Yeah, all right. And JVG can't win. They're in the bottom. All right. Like where we're at. I didn't know I had that ability.
There you go.
Jeremy, did you ever watch a lot of John Cusack movies?
I don't think I have, honestly. Is Breakfast Club one of them? No, I'm thinking of John Hughes. Yeah, yes. Never mind. Yeah, my bad.
In the 80s classic film, Better Off Dead, how much money does the paperboy repeatedly demand from John Cusack? Like, this is not even accounting, but it involves a dollar amount, so I felt it was relative.
Yeah, I like it.
How much does he want from John Cusack? Does he want $12.46, $1, $5, $2?
$1?
$1. I know. I realized it as I said it, and I was hoping no one. It's like when I was on stage at GrowCon and accidentally said, like, to all the Mormons that the second coming isn't going to happen.
Yeah, that one.
Yeah, that was bad too.
Yeah.
Yeah, no. Two of you only know in your John Cusack films, this little guy. Oh, not him. Sorry. But the kid is wandering around. He wants his $2. Yeah, it was like 40 papers, 3 weeks. That's $2 he wants. Great film. Go watch it.
Yeah, good.
All right, Jeremy. Only a few more left. I'm curious. Who's in the lead? Who's sitting here? Still, Rebecca is out there in front. All right, I'm not going to give any more score updates through the end. I want to see if it changes. All right. Investors often refer to a math expression to figure how often your money will double. This is known as the rule of what? So the rule of what, they use this to figure out how often their money will double. Is it the rule of 2, 42, 72, or 100?
I feel like you should have had the rule of doublation on here.
I should have.
That was a missed opportunity.
I want them to be all numbers. Jeremy, can you name that movie in the middle that I've got the gif of?
Oh, yeah, that's got to be the Rocky. Oh, I can't think of the movie name. I know this. I've seen it.
So the correct answer I was looking... What was it?
The Hail Mary Project.
No,
it's not
that's
Rocky?
Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. Yes, in Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, the question is, what is the answer to the ultimate question in the universe? To which the bot responds 42.
Oh, got it.
But that is not the right answer here. Yeah. The correct answer is 72. Yes, if you guys don't know this thing is magic. Basically, the answer is, if you are trying to say, hey, I'm going to put some money in an investment, well, what's the interest rate? It's 10%. Take 72 divided by the interest rate, and that's how long it will take for your money to double at that interest rate. So 7.2 years, or what is that? 7 and 2.5 months or whatever? 7 a month and 8. I don't know. I don't do math well, but it's just over 7 years for your money to double. So if the interest rate is 36%, it'll take 2 years for your money to double. The rule of 72. It's freaking awesome.
Yeah, easy way to kind of back into those things.
I love that. All right. Almost near the end. But by the way, speaking of doubling your money, it was supposed to show an advertisement for Double. Oh, never mind. That comes at the end. I was supposed to do it here. Again, guys, we're still figuring this out. So we are on to our last question then. And this is the big toughie. We're going to do this every single week. This one, I'd be surprised if anyone gets it, but we're going for it. Jeremy. Name the SEC's electronic filing system where publicly traded companies submit financial statements and disclosures. Yes, one of these four is the name of the system. Is it Edgar, Jarvis, Hank, or Mark?
I would have gotten this because I started out in banking, and I would have to go look on this system and find financial statements. And I hope it's in better usability or user interface has improved since the early 2010s. I don't know.
Do you miss Edgar at all?
I do not miss Edgar. Oh,
what was it like? The electronic data gathering and retrieval and reporting system?
Yeah, analysis
and reporting system. Yeah, Edgar, guys, that is where all these companies have to go in and do, what is it, like their 10Ks, their 8Ks, their 10Qs, all those filings with the IRS. And aren't you so glad we don't work in publicly traded companies?
I do not miss publicly traded company work at all. Good Lord.
Well, that being said, Jeremy, I do have to say a huge thank you to our sponsor today, Double. For those that don't know right now, they have just rolled out one of the coolest bots ever in their system, Ask Double. It literally is doing bank reconciliations for us, building out prepaid schedules. Like, everything we used to do is getting thrown on end because we're giving the bot instructions, training it on skills to do it forward, and then it's just going. And I was actually talking to Ben Stein this week about what's coming from the bot. You're soon going to have a little button on every task to say kickoff with Double Bot, and it will remember the skill. So literally doing the month-end close on some tasks will be click the start button, and it will run the skill it already did, and you're set. I mean, in the arms race right now, that is Double, that is Ramp, that I am also a huge fan of, that, you know, Copilot's coming out with stuff. Like, there's just so much going on. Guys, you have to try out Double Scale and just see how this bot works. They're doing 14-day free trials for right now. Use the code UNPOD, and I think we get a kickback or some sort of brownie point along the way. But thank our sponsors because we absolutely love them. And now, Jeremy.
Drum roll. Oh, what's gone?
I'm trying to share you and I, but Jeremy.
Yeah.
Dare I list off? In third place, and I don't even know who this is. I bet I know one of two people who it is. But this is disturbing. In third place, we have Big Tex. Don't know who Big Tex is. You're going to have to reach out to me separately, but I think I know who it is. In second place, with 5,580 points, is the Texan. Another Texan that's coming in here and messing with our entire system. Well done, the Texan.
Yeah.
But in first place, and never really gave up the leaderboard once along the entire way, we owe it to our friend, Rebecca O, sitting atop the leaderboard. Well done. We'll be reaching out to you, Rebecca, after the fact for you to get your discount code to get 100% off the Double Swag store and get some free stuff. And guys, invite your friends. Tell them about this because I think we have several other sponsors on the hook. And that means we can start offering second place and third place prizes because the sponsorship packages require they provide prizes for second and third. So if you share this, help us get them interested. Better prizes are coming our way. Heck, we got Gusto to give away, iPads, Meta Ray-Ban glasses, and AirPods at Scaling New Heights. If you come play with us, we're looking to get that level of stuff here. So tell your friends, share it out. We'll be reminding you. 2 weeks from now, we're playing live at Scaling New Heights. 4 weeks from now, we're back here doing the same thing indefinitely. So thank you to our sponsor, Double. Thank you to bookkeepers.com for helping us promote this. Jaime and the team are over there are awesome. Jeremy, any closing words for both our listeners?
No, congrats again to Rebecca. Like, solid lead from the get-go.
Now, thank you, everyone, and we are done. Have a good day.